Hello guys, it's Isaac or Icarus, and it's time for me to attempt a build that pretty much every builder wants to do someday in their career, Geonosis. The difficulty with this really cool location in Star Wars is the fact that the best color to use is dark orange, and dark orange is a very hard to come by part in the LEGO color palette. By no means do I have very much dark orange in my collection, but I collected every single dark orange part I have, like literally every single one, and combine that with a bunch of dark nougaty colored pieces as well. So it's going to be small, but hopefully very detailed. So let's get vibe mode on, get the fire blazing, and get started with this build. But this will give you guys a chance to see sort of my thought process and build process as I create this Geonosis MOC, and I hope it turns out good. And after a lot longer than expected, the Geonosis MOC is finally done. That actually took more like 2 hours, but that's because I was really focused on getting those details right. The fact that the build is mainly only 2 colors really makes the details a lot more visible, and I love the general layout of the final build. I'm so glad I had those nougat treads to make the roofs, and one of my favorite details is the hair pieces used for the rocks in the front path. I also did some cool techniques with an angled wall to make the front of the building more interesting. And I did do a little bit of an interior, trying to fill out those interior details. Even though I don't have a Geonosian minifigure, I still did some cool clones out on the front. And I don't know about you guys, but I had a lot of fun tonight. Please let me know what you think of this MOC in the comments below. And if you want to see more cool builds like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.